Hey, Quadro out of Wanda. We have a cancer, I can see. Oh, your bugger, mammy, I must be your bugger, mammy. And then, how much more time? My punishment, my America. Shay, will be able to say, virus are blaming him. I'm a phone, you got silent. The bear, call it back. I mean, can't command. Yeah, hello. Akwasi. Hey, virus. Ah, number de be ade frame me say nya no ni o. I me hu miss call na minim say eh wa. Me phone akoto silent. Na hu ye. Enra dwe na hu adwene be si mitim say wo frɛ ya che. Tie na me sorry kra ma feel. Ena niema de bre me che bi ewom na me se ma ye poni ekroma fo twom ta ka me sha America che ene se wo de afre yo ehoboko me ka che o se pe Black American no Oscar war no wanya bi wo be fie na wo be fie no anyem bia wa boabo aho Akwasi tena ho pa na mate se nche na na ado be sa de lockdown aba e bia wo ba no abeka sa wa ho bo aso a wo be fia be set ya business ei enya me be wanya ska Where dey sa sempa Wesi me akwa abro kire ni na nu Na wesi wanya capital best be factory dia ene sa ne Akwasi erade na yeda na se bra so be bia adwuma kwa dia Akwasi bra na snow na yesi yeton ko yesi ehu bra be ye show na tamfo ani mu Wo de me jewdi so ye yema menhwe Akwasi me se bra wa boaboa ho Akwasi bra me kasa kase am obi ati Akwasi me se bra Akwasi bra be bia adwuma no Akwasi bra virus bra o te se me tia fi mo so ma ni be fo no hwere mo ne ba ko e watimi abada be cheme levels when ye be Usi me kwa abroche ni wan ye utime nya capital se mbebe adwuma who jobless me say atamfo ye kwa wo awrade ahira wo ne ba be ye kantankanta bi wa ha bi ndade bi o me nya so ofia na mba kwa abroche ene wa be burglar proof me say o me nya so ofia o de wo bebe factory Burglar proof saying Mate wo ska kakra ho me ko pemmire adwene enwa koto akranti aya ho wo ba me dia bon kwan let's any 3 days kwa beba ho Mate Wafa be bam me na tede Wafa be bam me na sam da be se be bam wafa ase
asam be na ba woni age sai
Wafa ewi ase de ne awrade ahira no na wo hira no ena sade ye wodia ana o bobra na se awrade ensa wo so a wo mre na wa yi Ofani mi se wonana Akwasi virus anope wa friends Obagana Ofani ne call ni
ota buche ya adwo waja adwo no Obagana
Wafa me se ne call ni se me bo ahwe o friend me in 20 minutes
waja adwo no ye Bagana be dey
No wanya ne ho ade ntin kwan so obagana. Enum tina make us say ready shirawa. In the space of months, utimi your defo. Na senye Jimmy a ni panyansa for ho no matam scam Jimmy for we say on fon kwabrochiri. Okwabrochi osimi ko school. Da ben na stand na obi wie school akopa adwuma be hwefi. Obaya bogla prove ofie ho no. Amfu say we wie. Me ba kwasi virus. Obesisi factories. Obebiebie filling stations. Obesisi hotels. Oh yes. Okwabrochi ni 1 year. And so sign say erade I done is 20. Ade bie kwan kase ama no. Amana nya no say tam. Oba ni krom. Abibie nwuma. Ti wo fa asem da me de nam no no.
Wọ́n say o kasa me hwe odi. Asem a wo kan na kwa se wati kube firi soro. Na abeto ho. Na kube no hu nyina ye green. Na de wo mu nyina so apro.
Sane san wo fa.
Abroche na da ho no. Sabi. Enti se oboase gold. Sika no na fom na akwa watase aboabo no abe. Oso wo bebie factory ni. Adwuma be na okoye ya. Onya se sika na odi bebie factory wa se. Factory bie no kwa. So obi sika no akowia. Se ndubone no akoton. So baby no abona po. So akotubotom. So akoye dan. Wonya se sika na oso odi bebie factory no. Enti wonya je a obegyina wo sa. Meda sa se nyanwam. Ade obi ntimi nye.
Abam se yefuwe. Money be wo. Abam se yefuwe. Me
wofa woye hweye no woni brade ade a woye no hwene ye akwasi oni kapre obisika no wawia e no de ba ya saade no ne so obisika no wawia
wofa abrochire na wo ba no wofa so enti nya wo de kakra da
okowie sika na me da adwo be ro koye o se di adwuma na no to gold ana wo to wire ana wo to diamond
e ma ne fa na adwuma kase wofa enti sa me be ya brocho koye nyina wofa sana wo mpe me be yi sesa anyi papa ka me yi
debi a woti ase adi mu debi a wo ho na ba de na wo fa yi kwasa era wo
ewia se baba ne ye bo no ye ma chiche da so nsin ya de so wo mana ko
and the boy
hey mommy kuzie mpia wia mommy
boga ma
you are na fimi ni ya
na ko boga ma
guys batazoi
hey ko
mommy chef
the time is
6 o'clock. This is Radio Ghana.
Mama nenye. Mama nenye. Na me the good news na nam.
Allah.
Sure. Mama idea na aba.
Muni akwesise. Orlando next week.
Hey! Oboa.
Aba.
Allah.
Aba.
Me ba ne se wo ba Ghana.
Hey! Virus.
Offer me na me ade.
Hey, akwasi bra. Hey. Are you for him?
Hey, I'm going to some catching. I'm seeing Chapoga Baba.
What you say?
Any mo boga. Obi aboga beba afi na mo so mo boga eba. Eni afi. Me ba se wonya ne ho tan.
We benya.
Obe set a business.
Akasa wo no you smart.
Obe bie factory. Abe sisi hotels.
Wow.
Abe bie filling stations. Enti abroche na me ba ne ko ye no. Wa nkɔ ne kwawo. Wonya ne ho tam awo ba.
Mommy ba che na unyu ate.
Wate. Na de me ka hye.
Mo
Waka che no.
So bo kasa na te.
Mani nya we.
Akobo mi wo fakora ma ne.
Mani nya we.
Se ko shini na no. Wo se wo ba.
Ma Francis
wo ba so a wo ba ne big time.
Hey, akwasi na me famra. Wa fa un chop kokko ni medu ha abla wonan kabo. Na bedu a yese mo say hamburger.
E umu no. You see we dey umu no. Ah, we tell you no.
The stone that the builders rejected.
Who so e pasa no.
Oh. Na se me be ba.
We kwa ebe ha.
We kwa ebe ha de ebe ha. We am ndi.
Ye nti na wo bobo ye.
We am ndi.
Because school.
Ye science e di pesca se mi.
Because school ataso.
Na enu nti na wiase udi kan no nche se wadi fe.
Dabi na bra 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 bra.
Aja ko na kana se so pa mi legon.
Unyeye. My boy is gifted. My boy is blessed. My boy is the eye of God. Who just blessed? Life. Airport, so when you do what? I
go. Yeah, me na nice. I will check for you. Hey, was one. What can you? It was awesome. What's your name?
Yeah. I had a friend in the army, and they gave me this shit, you know. I just made a record, you know. Why is she acting up? Why? What's up? She's like, what's it?
Is it true?
Oh, okay. I just made a record, you know.
You understand?
Like going to the States within
less than a year,
coming to build factories.
To use
Buddha to just grab this and then build a new one. Give me a seat. Like Africa is still hot.
Me the one that said John the Baptist. Me see what
Africa is still hot. Give me a seat and
already what bad here.
Mami we for that person na se papa.
Boga bia wa bad here. Ocha boga bia.
Obi ba ko ye apro kwa mene no.
Africa is hot.
Mami sika
be under the shade.
Sika no.
Ana ko ya chese to kai. Your corner siatenka.
Ko ya che to ka.
What is this? Is an American dollar, you know. American dollar. Coming, I forgot, and then it just kicked off my pocket.
Oh,
sorry. I just made a record. I destroyed American dollar.
I destroyed the
American dollar. Mommy, get me the seat. This man is a witch, you know. She's a witch.
What do you cry?
In America, if somebody do this,
he's a witch. In America,
when you do this, she's a witch.
What's a witch?
So now, listen to me. I'm gonna call Duet. Duet is the personal assistant to Lil Wayne.
Lil Wayne.
I'm gonna call Duet and then I'll let him have my parents and my friends received me in Africa.
Yeah.
Get me that fucking cloth.
Okay.
Fabla.
Get me that fucking cloth. Yeah. I'm gonna call Duet on video call.
Yes. Video rap.
Jai. Now, Mama, I don't get to say why I know.
Hello, quiet everywhere. Yo, Duet, what's up?
Yeah.
I just got to Ghana. This is my home. Mama, put the cloth down. I wanna let Duet see how like My mom and my friends met me in Ghana, you know.
What you say?
Yeah.
Dwight, as you can see,
As you can
I'm
see, no.
working on a
What you say? Oh,
Dwight,
you see?
Dwight, see that woman?
Wait.
That's a witch.
Wait.
That's a witch woman.
Wait.
Yeah. That's a witch.
Dwight, get me some.
Hey,
I'm from the American. I'm
Wow.
gonna arrest this woman.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Dwight. How is
Baba.
Lewen doing?
I can't find you.
Why? I can't back on the Oh, you're bouncing.
Quiet. Dwight,
So you for anybody show mommy and
how is Lewen doing? Dwight, I can hear you. Talk louder.
Yes.
No, the network in Africa isn't like the one in America, you know. It's way different and something like. Yeah, Dwight can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I just go home, you know. Like, this is the way my parents.
propose.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Dwight. Dwight.
You have to swan
You are